Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. As technology continues to advance, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we teach and learn. In this video, we will explore 10 amazing AI tools that can help teachers revolutionize their classrooms. Whether you are a new or experienced teacher, these AI tools are a must-have for any 21st century classroom. So let's explore the first tool. Its name is Diffit. This word is come from differentiation. So this tool is ideal to make differentiated activity in the classroom with the help of just writing a topic. So I'm writing a topic here, the Cold War, and you need to select a grade. I'm going to select grade 10 and I just need to click generate resources. Remember, you need to log in always with the Google account. I will give you all the links in the description. Let's click on generate resources. So you can see here the resources are generated. So website has generated a summary. You can see the key vocabulary words, multiple choice questions, short question answer, open-ended prompts are going to generate, and you can generate more by just clicking on this button. It is really amazing. Just write the topic and get your resources. So the second tool is Conquer. I'm going to click the launch Conquer. Conquer is a quiz generator. You just need to write a topic and Conquer will generate a quiz for you. So I'm going to write a topic, HR diagram. If you want to precise more, you can write exactly what you're looking for. You can see questions has been generated over here. You can add more subsections, for example, main sequence star, red giants and others. You can assign this to your students or export as a PDF as well. So the third tool is eigo.ai. It is AI generated study materials, especially for English language learners. Your student or yourself can watch a video, you can read about it, and or you can listen it, or you can speak and you can take a review. It's a complete revision. If you want to assign some students to learn a topic, this tool is really amazing. It is also excellent for a remote homework. So let's check the tool number 4. It's called Literally Anything. So you can create some activities for the classroom without any boundaries, and some new ideas you can build here. For example, I'm going to write down here, can you please create a game about marketing strategies for the grade 10 IGCSE student. So you can see here marketing strategies games has generated, and there is an option here. You can start game and you can assign to your students. You can see there is a free gallery available and lot of activities are already available. You can use these activities as well. Let's explore our fifth tool, Udly. Improve your communication skills with private, real-time and judgment-free speech coaching. So let's try. It's free. You need to download a small application. You can see there is a tutorial. You can practice a speech or interview here. Click on a speech. You can record your speech and this website will evaluate your speech. Once you complete your recording, it will give you the evaluation like this, and you can see the analysis on your right hand. So please try. This is an amazing tool. The sixth tool is like a magic. You can see build a website in 30 seconds with the help of AI. So just click here. My business is related to chemistry, for example. I'm just going to write down chemistry. Let me write down chemical equilibrium and just click on generate website. So you can see the website is ready. It's about what I wrote. So you can customize it here. You can see I can customize, I can rewrite, edit it as I like. This is really amazing. In only 15 to 30 seconds you can generate a website. Let's jump into tool number 7. This is called Runway, advancing creativity with artificial intelligence. Let's try Runway for free. So free account has some limitations, but it's still useful for us. Let's try for free. So this website will generate from text to video, text to animations. You can add images and there are so many options. I don't want to make this video very long, otherwise I will explain each and every tool. You can explore, it's very easy. Let's try to make one small video. So there are options, video to video, text to videos. I am going to generate a video from the text. Just click on this. So I need to add a very clear instructions what kind of a small video clip I want to generate from my text. So I'm writing here a scene of small village, typical environment. Well, let me generate this. You can see my video is ready. As I wrote a scene of a small village with typical environment. Let me play. Wow, this is really amazing. The quality is extremely good and I can make it full screen as well. Teach Anything is my 8th AI tool. This AI engine can teach you anything in seconds. Let's try something. For example, I'm going to write down what is economy growth. You can select language. There are options of different languages and you can just try generate answers. You can see here the answer is already available. It's like chat GPT, but it will generate extremely easy to understand any new concept. My 9th tool is actually for English teachers. It is AI powered tools for English teachers. Let's try. So you can see different tools are available for reading, for vocabulary, writing, speaking, grammar and listening. It's a full package for English teachers, especially to assign work to students and do some activities in the classroom. You can explore it by yourself. It's very easy. Last but not least, Story AI is my 10th tool for today's video, and you can write your own story with the help of AI. So you can choose the category of story you want to write down. You can see here there is a lot of options. You can enter the characters' names, ages, gender, and then you can just click on that. You can see the story is here. You can receive the story through email. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.